preparation of simple consignment account. The preparation of consignment account involve just the general idea in this instance, right? It involves the keeping track of the transactions that is related to the consignment arrangement. If that is taken, let's now go into the simplified step-by-step guide on how to prepare consignment accounts. The first guide is the recording goods sent to the consignee. Here, the consignor records the value of the goods sent to the consignee in their books. And these goods we are talking about, they are typically recorded as a kind of asset. And the consignor maintains the ownership of the asset because he's the owner. The second one is the recording of freight and other expenses. When we are talking about recording of freight and other expenses, any kind of expenses that is related to shipping, because we are talking of freight in this instance, any expenses that is related to shipping the goods, such as freight charges, are being recorded by the only consignor transactions account only. I mean, the consignor will be the only one to record that. So the third one is the recording of commission. The consignee records the commission that is earned for selling the consigned goods as revenue in their books. The monetary value that is being attached to the selling of those goods as revenue is being recorded in the books of consignee records. The fourth one is the recording sales of goods. When consignee, in this instance, when you sell the goods, they have to record the sale in their books as revenue, and they have to reduce the consignment stock on the hand. That's just the simple arithmetic behind that. And the fifth one is the recording of expenses incurred by the consignee. Of course, this is important. Any expenses that is being incurred by the consignee, such as, let me give an example like storage expenses or marketing costs. All those kind of expenses, they are being recorded in the books of consignee, because if it's not recorded, it's going to have issue. The sixth one is the settlement of account. Periodically, the consignee sends a statement of account to the consignor. Of course, this is important. The reason why for this is that it is indicating the sales, the expenses, and all the commission that is being due for that transaction the both of them are into. And the consignor settles the transactions, and he has to reimburse the consignee for the authorized expenses, because the consignee is doing that on behalf of him. So it is due for the consignor to reimburse the consignee. Let me now go to the seventh one. And the seventh one is the final settlement. This final settlement now, when the consignment arrangement ends, or they put it to an end, or when the goods remain unsold for a specific period, maybe it's getting a long time, right? A final settlement is being made between the consignor and the consignee to account for any kind of remaining goods or expenses and commission. This kind of transactions is essential to maintain clear and accurate records on both the consignor's and the consignee sides of accounts, in order to ensure the transparency and accuracy in the consignment accounting process. And additionally, the specific details and terms of the consignment arrangement may vary, right? So it is crucial to follow any kind of agreed upon terms and conditions between the parties. The parties I'm talking about is the consignor and consignee that is involved in their transactions. So with this, we've come to the end of the lecture. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to LearnCity.